Hey everyone, it's Sherry from Mature Beauty Studio, and today I want to do something really fun with you. I want to try some magnetic lashes. If you've heard about the magnetic lashes, they're kind of the newest thing in false eyelashes. If you're like me and you've tried the traditional eyelashes with all the messy glue and just got frustrated, you're going to like the magnetic lashes. I just tried some out a couple of weeks ago. I got the Kiss magnetic lashes. And I bought the kit, which comes with a little magnetic eyeliner that you put on and a set of lashes. So I've tried those for about 2 weeks and I really like them. They're fairly easy to use once you get used to putting the eyeliner on. And I really like the way they look and feel. So next step is Ardell magnetic lashes. So I picked up a set of these. And I was told I can use the same magnetic liner. It doesn't matter what brand. So today I've put on my magnetic liner and I'm going to do a little comparison, a little side by side. I'm going to use the Kiss magnetic lash on this side and the Ardell on this side. So I just want to compare ease of use, how they look, how they feel, and let you take a look. So these have five little tiny magnets in them. So maybe you can see what those look like. They're very, very tiny. And once you put the eyeliner on, which is probably the hardest part, because if you have eyesight that's a little bit fading, sometimes it's hard to get that nice straight line. But I've worked really hard at doing that and also letting it dry. The first time I did this, I put it on and then I opened my eyes, which are hooded, and I had the whole black eyeliner up on the hood of my eye. So now I put the eyeliner on, keep my eyes closed for a good minute, and I'm good to go. So first thing I'm going to do is this little Kiss magnetic lash, and I am just going to go in and kind of pull my eye taut. And what happens is the magnetic liner just kind of grabs, or it should grab. These have been used probably 3 times, and that's the other thing I like about the magnets is you can use them multiple times. You just need to clean them in between. So I kind of felt it grab on there, and I think I'm good to go. So that's how easy that one is. You also should put mascara on and curl your eyelashes before you use these. That way the magnetic lash is going to blend in a little bit better with your regular lash. So that's the Kiss. You can see pretty easy. Once you get it up towards your eye, that magnetic eyeliner will kind of grab it. Last time I wore these, they lasted all day long, no problem, no slippage. And again, you just kind of pull them right off and take that eyeliner off. So next one is this Ardell. And this one is a little bit finer. This one is a naked lash. So the band on this one is a little bit finer. It doesn't have as much of a black band as the Kiss one. So I'm anxious to see what these look like. So I'm just going to kind of go in. Hopefully this one will grab as well. I haven't tried these yet, so we'll see what happens with this one. It's not grabbing quite as tight, but we'll see. Okay. And then I usually like to just pinch my regular lash and the false lash together to kind of join them. And we'll see how that one looks. Okay. Oh, now this one's coming up, I see. That's the other thing. Once you get them on, you need to kind of seal them together. So kind of press the magnet into the liner and make sure it's kind of, oh my God, what happened? Wow. Okay, that one like went totally wonky and I don't know what that's about. We'll try that again. It could be because I didn't clean it properly before, or who knows, that's a malfunction. Okay, that's why I love to do this stuff and show you guys that, you know what? Things aren't always as they seem in the commercials. Like sometimes they go a little crazy. And the other thing with these is you have to make sure you get enough of the eyeliner on too, that it's got something to latch onto. I don't like heavy eyeliner, so when I first did these, I did a really thin line and it just wasn't enough for the magnetic liner to latch onto. So I think that one's fine now. We'll see what happened. I don't know what the eyelash explosion was about there. So, okay, Kiss on this side, Ardell Naked Magnetic Lashes on that side. I'm going to give it a test run, let you know how they last throughout the day, and get back to you. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And I will link both of these below the video so you can see which ones I've used. Hi everyone, so I am back after wearing the lashes for about 8 hours today, and I gotta say my Saint makeup held up super well today. It was a hot summer day in Wisconsin and very humid, and everything wore great. I finished my cream makeup with a little dusting powder, and it's been amazing. So back to the eyelashes. So on this eye, I have the Ardell and the Magnetic Naked Lashes. And I chose that one because it had a little bit lighter band, not the black band like the Kiss had. They were both about the same size and same length. So here's kind of what I'm reporting back. They both wore just fine. As far as comfort level though, I gotta say the Kiss was more comfortable. I did not feel them on my eyes. The Ardell, I definitely felt like kind of like something was there all day. Not enough to really bother me, but just that kind of feeling that something was on my eye. I also noticed that the Ardell only has 3 magnets and the Kiss has 5 magnets. So again, they both wore all day long, but I'm just wondering if maybe the 5 magnets are going to be a little bit more secure in wind and things like that. I think that's the only things that I really have to mention. I think, you know, I wanted the naked lashes with the band that doesn't show, but quite honestly, if you're using black eyeliner, it doesn't really matter. They both kind of look exactly the same. So it's up to you. They're both similarly priced. I know the reason I picked Ardell this time is because they had so many different lash choices to pick from, lengths and fullness, and Kiss did not have quite as many. But quite honestly, I'm looking for more of a natural look anyway, so I think the selections that Kiss have will be fine for me. So for me, I'm probably going to stick with the Kiss just because of the 5 magnets and also because it just feels a little more comfortable for me. So that's my report on magnetic lashes. They're so much easier than using glue, especially if you're a mature lady. I'm 64 and I have a lot of trouble doing the glue on lashes. So these are kind of a game changer for me. I love the way they look. So thanks again for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook at Mature Beauty Studio. Thanks again.